Today we are going to look at something which is very simple but can be very useful at times. So we have these two columns of data. One are some IDs and then there are names, and then these are not properly written. Okay, now let's look at the ID first. So uh, someone has typed these IDs and have sent it to us, but the issue is that our IDs, the format is that all the alphabets in this ID should be capital letters. Now it would be a bit hectic if it's a large set of data and you have to retype or send this back to send it to you in the correct format. So there is a very simple way. There is a function which is upper. So you simply put in the text and all the alphabetic characters will be converted into this. So simply do this, and now while holding the right mouse button, you drag this over here and copy here as values only. Now you have solved this problem. You don't need this. You can simply delete it. Okay, now this is done. And you can also do this vice versa. For example, if the format that you have is lowercase and everybody has sent you data in which all the alphabets are in uppercase, so there is also a function, and you may have guessed it by now that it's lower, and you select this and you understand the remaining part. Now let's focus here on these names. Now there are some major issues with this. All of this is in capital, and then this is fine, and you can see that there are various issues with this. So by using upper and lower, you may not be able to solve this problem, but Excel has another function by the name of proper, and it's going to help you a lot. So just add the text here, and the name is fine. Drag it. Everything is done. While holding the right mouse button, copy here as values, and you have solved this. You don't need this. Let's delete this. I hope you liked this, and if you did, then please subscribe and also hit the bell icon.